Hi friends, this is Vivin and today I am with the Call of Duty Mobile Season 7 update. First I will show you in Android, then I will show you in iOS. The iOS video will be little separate. If you talk about the update, it is around 2.09 GB and you have to update it. It will be a compulsory updates. Now let's check it out the game first. If you go to the start screen here, you can see pretty much dusky kind of nature what it is showing. It has few upgrades. The crate has been changed. Here you can see the buried treasure crate is here. The special crate what everyone was bragging was going dark crate. It comes with the dark bag, dark color your ship, also wingsuit with parachute. Everything will be dark. So there are few things in the crate which you can go and buy. If we talk about the multiplayer, first I will go and show you. In the multiplayer there are few things added. Right now you can see the gunpoint is there. It will also ask you to download few maps. So hijack map, kill house and take off, these are the three maps you have to download. One is of 23 MB, another is 15 MB and last one is of 39 MB. These are the three maps which you have to download first. So I'm just putting the brightness a little less so that you guys can see. Currently I am playing on OnePlus 7T and after the download I will go and show you. There are few map update. Let me get it focused first. So I guess now you guys can check it out, and currently there is an invite. I'm skipping it. Going to the update here, you can see there's a new featured map which is Tunisia. So let's play Tunisia and it will be a random. So let's start. Once I start here, you can see it comes in the domination match. So I will play the Tunisia and see how the map is. It looks a pretty big map and how the gameplay is, you can go through that. Now we will start the Tunisia map. Once it is loaded, you can check out. It is not small map like Kill House or Nuketown. It is definitely a little big map. And let's start and let's play the game. After that, I will show you few more features what has upgraded in Season 7.
Taking back.
Captured C. Control on standby. Control inbound. Plus Lost A. Captured B.
No shots.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Captured A. Losing B. Captured Alpha. We're capturing C.
Target's in sight.
Another killer drone deployed. We captured Charlie. Losing Bravo. We lost B. Losing Alpha.
So we have played the domination match here in Tunisia map. The map looks really good, but it is a little bit confusing. Maybe this is the first time I'm playing, so I really don't know the positions right now. It will take some more games to play and know the map very well. If we talk about the core now, in the core there are a few things have been added. It includes the gunfight and free for all. These are the few games have been added. If you go to the event, there are few more things that you can claim. I will suggest you to go that, complete the task, take the rewards from that. So these are the few added bonus things which have been added. In the daily also there are few things, login things have been also been added. So these few features what you will get while playing the game on a longest term on a daily basis, these are the rewards you will get. Now I will go to the core and start a training mode game. I will show you. It is a little bit lengthy game. I am not going to play completely, but in the season 7 these are the major upgrades what we have got. And if we got any few updates later on, I will post a video also. I will post a separate video of the BR match, battle royale, separately in this channel only, so keep looking out for that also. Now let's play the training mode. So the training mode is basically to improve your shooting skills. If you want to get a perfection in that, you can definitely try it out. And after that, what we have, if we go to the operator skill, in operator skill we got a new katana. Katana is also present in the operator skill, which you have to buy. It is not available right now in the store. It will come out a little late if we go to that part. If we go to the player level rewards, here are a few more things. We haven't got a new gun also. I will let you know that there is no new gun. HBRA3 is coming very soon, that I know. It may be in the daily reward point, what you will get in the daily login. So that is also awaited right now. If we go to the player level rewards, let me show you that also. In that, here we got an additional thing where the player profile is there. I have the avatar, and after avatar there is an avatar frame, and lastly there is a calling card. So this is the new thing what have been added. Calling card was earlier not present. If we talk about, there are few more addition in score streaks. It includes the cluster strike. So the cluster strike have been added in this, which you can definitely use while playing the game. These are the few things what have been added in that. So let's play the game. And if you want to add, you can send me request on ioldmonk, that is my ID. And there are a few more players like Shitij whom I'm playing with. There is Loner Wolfstein. These are the players whom I play mostly. So this is all about the Call of Duty Mobile Season 7 gameplay. Basically this is a gameplay on multiplayer. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.